Hi everyone, welcome! Today in front of me are HyperX Cloud Mix Buds, and I'm going to show you how to easily download an app for them in your Android phone. Let's get started. First you have to open Play Store and click search. Now we have to in search tab search for HyperX. Now we have to click search. As you can see, HyperX NGENUITY. We have to click install. Now we have to wait for our app to be installed. And now our app is installed. That's it. Like and subscribe for more videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye.